you can guess who is it? Who is it? Because every single day in the morning, we face to face with him. That's right. You can take a hint. He's the moon coach. I can extract the lessons from the him. Here's the reason. First one, a person. He always say, if you want to go fast, you just work alone. But if you want to go farther, you have to go together. It's really a massive part in my life. Because when I feel like quitting, my friends always lift me up and I can make the right moves. I love this one. And second, who am I?
You like her. You like her.
Most people only pay attention to the final product of successful entrepreneur. Before I come into this world, I was kind of people like that. But he always taught us by using a bunch of concepts like passion, life, and dream. All of these things really helped me because
사실이야.
so all I wanted is find myself. Also my voice. And also, I'm making sure I can say, yes, I did them because I got a voice with you. Of these amazing people. Is right? Yeah. Yeah. So I really like I really like to say to him, thank you for coming and my life is getting better. And eventually I became who am I and where I have to stand in my life. So, so to sum up, if you don't have your, I don't know, if you have, do you have any proven mentor you want to be? If you're not, you have to set your role model because it's going to be a representative life. Thank you.